Making room. We've got about $40,000 worth of Vastex equipment coming in. Should be in here later this week. But we have still got plenty of equipment on the floor. We've got dryers from $2,000 all the way to $20,000 in stock. Exposing units, dry vaults, dry cabs, flash cure units. And here we've got several flash cures. Along with our new ROQ-E 8-color tin station with Quartz flashes, automatic t-shirt folder, pre-registration system, automatic reclaiming unit in there. In our chest, we got the Spyder CTS, the Saati Pro Coat, screen coater, and a regular dark room. We got the E2000, 5025, 5236, semi-automatic screen coater, wall mount VRS system, the double dry vault. So, if you're interested in screen printing equipment, want to see us, stop by one of the largest showrooms in the United States. And that for both manual and automatic screen printing equipment. Thanks for watching.